Did you know fruits and vegetables can easily be incorporated into your favorite desserts? Today, we're going to make zucchini and berry muffins that are full of produce and taste delicious. This recipe makes 12 muffins, but if you don't have a muffin pan, you can use an 8x8 or 9x9 baking pan to make dessert bars instead of muffins. For this recipe, you'll need 2 large zucchinis or 1 large zucchini and 1 large carrot, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, half teaspoons of baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, 2 eggs, half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of blueberries or another fruit of your choice. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Using a cheese grater or a food processor, shred your zucchini or zucchini and carrots so that you can get 2 cups of shredded vegetable. The shredded veggies will be very moist, but this is normal and important for the texture of the muffins. Next, combine the 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of each of baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon into a bowl. Beat the 2 eggs and add them into your bowl of dry ingredients. Then stir in the half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. When the batter is well mixed, you can fold in the cup of berries. Be sure to coat the muffin pan or baking pan with cooking spray or oil. Fill each muffin tin about 2/3 full with the batter or spread the batter evenly over the baking pan. Bake the batter in the oven for 20 or 25 minutes until the muffins are a light brown on top. If you are making bars in the baking pan, they may need to cook longer. Use a toothpick or a fork and poke into the center of the pan to see if the batter is fully cooked. Take the muffins out of the oven and allow them to cool for 10 minutes. These muffins make a great dessert or breakfast option. They are filled with fiber from the whole wheat flour, protein from the Greek yogurt, and include both fruits and vegetables in every bite.